Hello everyone, and welcome to the SIMmetry tutorial series. This short tutorial on taking snapshots will provide you with easy steps to copy the current view of the 3D window as an image file for further editing or sharing. To begin this tutorial, let us go over where the snapshot tool can be accessed. To access the snapshot tool, on the ribbon menu, click on the Presentation tab. The tool is located in the group name Snapshot. To take a snapshot, determine whether you want the default or custom dimensions of the image. If you select Custom Size, check the box next to Custom Size and make your adjustments in the height and width fields. Once fields have been set, click on the Snapshot button. A snapshot is taken of your current view in the 3D window and is displayed as a separate window. In the New Image window, you have access from the following: Close, Save As, Print, or Paint box. If you select Paint box, the image will be open to your workstation's default image program. We went over how to take snapshots in our project. This concludes the tutorial on taking snapshots. For more information, refer to Chapter 16, Presentation tab, and SIMmetry's user manual. Thank you for watching, and please stay tuned for upcoming tutorials.